In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop losses in TradingView. We'll walk through how to enable and set a stop loss directly from your TradingView chart so you can better protect your capital when the market moves against you. I'll go slowly and explain the context along the way, so even if you're newer to TradingView or to trading in general, you can follow along. First, make sure you're on the chart of the asset you're trading and that your broker or paper trading account is already connected to TradingView. Once you're on the chart, look for the trade button. Depending on your layout, you'll usually find it either along the bottom of the screen or in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click that trade button. This opens up the trading panel where you can place and manage orders. With the trading panel visible, you should see options related to your orders, including things like take profit and stop loss. What we want to do now is enable the stop loss feature. Look for the toggle or switch labeled stop loss or stop losses. If it's turned off, click or tap it to turn it on. When the toggle is on, TradingView will show the additional fields you need to set up your stop loss for the position you're about to enter or manage. Now that stop losses are enabled, it's time to actually define the price level where you want your stop to be executed. You'll see a field where you can type in the stop loss price. Click that field and carefully type the exact price at which you want TradingView to trigger the stop loss order. This price should be chosen based on your trading plan and risk management rules. For example, you might place it below a key support level if you're going long or above a resistance level if you're going short. The idea is that if price hits this level, your position will automatically close to limit further losses. Always double check that the stop loss price is on the correct side of your entry and that the potential loss is within an amount you're comfortable risking. Once the price is set, review your order details one more time to ensure everything looks right, then proceed with placing or updating your trade. That's it. You've successfully set up a stop loss in TradingView, helping you manage risk automatically instead of watching the chart non-stop.